A tool used throughout our curriculum at Lost River is our Memory Mnemonic Posters. These posters help students remember important people and events in the Bible by connecting them to a short sentence and simple rhymes. Instead of memorizing long lists of names, students learn the story of the Bible through phrases that build throughout the quarter. Over the 3-year cycle, students will learn from 11 different posters, each highlighting a major section of Bible history. The First Generations, Journey to the Promised Land, Judges of Israel, the United Kingdom, the Divided Kingdom, Prophets to Israel, and Prophets to Judah. Prophets to Other Nations, Homesick Heroes and Home Again Heroes, Ancient World Powers, the Life and Mission of Jesus, and the Early Church. Each quarter has its own poster or posters that match the section of the Bible that students are studying. As you move through the lessons, you will gradually add new Bible figures and key events to the poster so students can see the story growing week by week. The posters themselves are stored in the blue poster bag. You'll find the ones labeled for the current quarter. These cards that will be added to the poster are stored in your classroom accordion folder. Look under the tab for that specific poster and you will find a small bag labeled with the poster name. This bag will contain the cards you will add throughout the quarter. Before the quarter begins, you can also find helpful guidance in your teacher binder. First, look at the quarter overview document. Here you will find the main sentence for the poster along with the rhymes for each Bible figure that will be added during the quarter. This document also shows which lesson introduces each person so you can easily see how the poster will build over time. Next, the quarter schedule gives a quick overview of when a new card will be added to the poster so you can see it all at a glance as you plan your lesson. Finally, within the individual lesson plans, you will find specific instructions showing how to incorporate the poster into that day's lesson. For example, in Lesson 22, when students learn about Stephen, the lesson will guide you to introduce Stephen using this rhyme. Stephen stood for what was right, those stones were thrown, he saw God's light. At that point in the lesson, you would add the Stephen card to the early church poster. Throughout the quarter, take time to briefly review the Bible figures that students have already learned so they can see how the story continues to grow. How you incorporate the poster into your class is up to you, and it will likely look different depending on the age of your students. In younger classes, students may simply repeat the rhyme with you as the card is added to the poster. But in older classes, students may begin to explain what the person did and how they fit into the story of the early church. Over the time students are at Lost River, they will move through the story of the Bible 3 times and will see these same posters again and again. Each time they revisit them, their understanding deepens as they connect the people and events to the larger story of God's plan.